The EHang Ghost Drone 2.0 VR is very easy to get in the sky. It's very easy to get out of the sky safely. I mean, you can fly it with your phone. You can check things out in first person view with the companion VR goggles. It's significantly cheaper than other drones with 4K cameras. It's close to a perfect laundry list for an entry-level drone or a casual pilot. Key specs: 1125 grams, 40 kmh, 25 miles per hour in GPS mode, 70 kmh, 43 miles per hour in manual, 4K, 12 megapixel camera, 64 GB micro SD, iOS and Android companions app used to pilot, 1600 mAh battery with 25-minute flight time. You'll fly the drone via a companion app, and that's also where the headset becomes important. You'll pair your device to the headset rather than the drone, which means that for compatibility across iOS and Android, you'll only need to pick up another headset, not an entirely new drone. The law dictates you need to keep the drone in line of sight while you're flying it, so this is strictly a two-man operation.